Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on GTC token. In my previous video, I was showing you how the price line after the breakout, it was testing the previous resistance of the wedge as a support, and I told you that after this retest, the price line can gear up from here. And now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then after this retest, the price line is geared up, and it is, by the way, more than 100%. If I place this a measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see so far it has rallied almost 113%. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of GTC that I shared a few days back on 19th of Feb with my members. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that GTC was completing. In fact, it was completed, but after this spike, the price on was slightly moved up. Therefore, I told my members that we can buy it from this buying range once it will be dropped more down here. And you can see our buying was from $2.10 and goes to $2.02. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line uh, again dropped more down here. You can see here. And after that, it started the next price reversal and again moved down. Then we had another price reversal. And this was, by the way, more than 14% pump from here up till here. And before that, I shared another expected harmonic bullish reversal bad move back in the month of November 2022. And it was completing the final leg. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line to drop more down, and after the completion of this leg, we can expect the next price reversal from here. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down, then started another reversal. And this was, by the way, more than 36% pump from this low to this high. By the way, after this price correction, we had the bigger pump as well. Now, if we take a look at this live weekly time frame chart, then this is the falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my previous video. When I shared my last video, at that time it was testing this previous resistance of the wedge as a support somewhere here. And I told you that after this retest, there can be a very high probability that the price line may start the next price reversal from here. And now if I place again this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see it has rallied almost 113%. And during this move, it has also broken out this resistance of $2 as well. And now it is struggling to break out the next very strong and long-term resistance of $2.60. And once it will be able to break out this resistance, then our next resistance will be here at $3.50. That is, by the way, a stronger resistance than this $2.60. And you can see that previously here it was breaking almost as a resistance, here as a resistance, here as a resistance, and here we got two more rejections by this resistance of $3.50. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this big breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge, that is approximately from $28 to $30. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.